What's the meaning of asset stripping? Asset stripping. Asset stripping.
Asset stripping. Asset stripping. Asset stripping refers to the practice of buying a company with the intention of selling off its assets for a quick profit. This is typically done by a private equity firm or other financial entity. The result of asset stripping is often negative for the company and its employees, as it can lead to layoffs, reduced investment in the business, and a decline in overall value. It can also have negative effects on the surrounding community, as the loss of jobs and economic activity can have a ripple effect on local businesses and consumers.